China controls 95% of the world's lithium battery production and has been systematically destroying American car manufacturers for decades. But Elon Musk just dropped a $4.3 billion bombshell that could completely obliterate China's EV empire overnight. In this video, you'll discover how Tesla's revolutionary Model 2 isn't just another electric car. It's America's calculated weapon to break China's stranglehold on the global EV market. We'll reveal the shocking technologies, secret supply chain deals, and game-changing manufacturing strategies that could cost China $140 billion and put 3 million Chinese workers out of jobs. Welcome to Tesla Torch, where we expose the untold stories behind the EV revolution. If you want to stay ahead of the biggest automotive disruption in history, smash that like button and subscribe for exclusive insights you won't find anywhere else. For decades, China has been playing chess while the rest of the world played checkers. They didn't stumble into EV dominance by accident. This was a calculated, decades-long strategy that would make Sun Tzu proud. While American automakers were still debating whether electric cars were a fad, China was quietly securing control over the most critical resources on Earth. Think about this staggering number. 95% of global lithium battery production capacity is controlled by China. That's not market competition. That's economic domination. But it gets worse. China also controls more than half of the world's rare earth refining, the essential materials needed for every electric motor that powers every EV on the road today. This wasn't some lucky break or natural advantage. The Chinese government pumped $28 billion in subsidies into their EV industry, creating an unstoppable economic war machine. Companies like BYD, XPeng, and NIO didn't just compete. They flooded global markets with affordable technologically advanced vehicles designed to crush foreign competition. The numbers are mind-blowing. China's automotive sector employs 14 million people and contributes nearly 40% of their entire GDP. That's about $600 billion annually. This isn't just about cars. This is about economic security, global influence, and controlling the future of transportation itself. But while China was celebrating their apparent victory, Elon Musk was orchestrating the most audacious counterattack in automotive history. In what appeared to be just another business deal, Tesla quietly signed a $4.3 billion battery agreement with LG Energy Solution. But this wasn't just a supply contract. This was a declaration of war against Chinese supply chains. The result of this strategic maneuver? The 2026 Tesla Model 2, a vehicle designed and built entirely in North America with zero reliance on Chinese components. Let me repeat that because it's absolutely crucial. Zero Chinese components. Not a single battery cell, not one semiconductor, not even the steel frame will come from China. This is Elon Musk's vision of complete economic independence, and it's about to strike at the very heart of China's EV empire. The weapon Tesla is building to execute this plan is unlike anything the world has ever seen. Tesla's Nevada Gigafactory 3.0, built in partnership with Panasonic, is set to deliver over 2 terawatt-hours of battery capacity annually by 2026. To put that in perspective, that's enough power to fuel 5 million Model 2s every single year. This isn't just a factory, it's the most advanced battery production operation on the planet, and it's sitting right in America's backyard. But here's the real masterstroke that nobody saw coming. Tesla secured exclusive lithium mining rights in California's Salton Sea, now dubbed Lithium Valley. This region contains enough lithium to power 40 million EVs annually. With this single move, Tesla didn't just reduce their dependence on Chinese refiners. They completely bypassed them, securing America's energy independence in the EV sector for generations. The Model 2 isn't just another Tesla model. It's a precision-engineered missile aimed directly at China's economic foundation. With a price tag under $25,000, a range exceeding 400 miles, and full self-driving capabilities, this car is positioned to undercut Chinese competitors on both price and technology simultaneously. The potential devastation for China is almost incomprehensible. Conservative projections suggest that when Model 2 production reaches full capacity by 2028, Chinese EV manufacturers could lose up to 37% of their global market share within just 18 months. We're talking about $140 billion in lost revenue, and the potential for over 3 million Chinese workers to face unemployment. This isn't just a business disruption. This is a financial tsunami that could ripple through China's entire economy. For years, China's entire EV strategy was built on one fundamental assumption: the world would remain dependent on their supply chains indefinitely. Tesla's Model 2 doesn't just challenge that assumption. It completely destroys it, proving that it's possible to build the world's most advanced, affordable EVs without a single Chinese component. But Tesla didn't stop at breaking free from Chinese supply chains. They engineered the Model 2 to be a true category killer, designed specifically for global conquest. Unlike previous Tesla models that targeted premium markets, the Model 2 is built for the masses. This isn't a luxury vehicle or Silicon Valley status symbol. It's an essential, everyday car for families in Berlin, Mumbai, Sao Paulo, and Los Angeles. At the heart of this revolution is Tesla's secret weapon, the Sinapse Drive. This isn't just another electric motor. It's a next-generation powertrain that combines hyper-efficient electric technology with Tesla's neuromorphic chip technology, inspired by their Dojo supercomputer. While Chinese EVs rely on conventional lithium iron phosphate batteries and off-the-shelf power management systems, the Sinapse Drive uses artificial intelligence to dynamically adjust power delivery in real time. The performance difference is staggering. The Sinapse Drive delivers a 45% increase in powertrain efficiency compared to BYD's Blade battery system. This means the Model 2 can achieve up to 400 miles of range while consuming just 20 kilowatt hours per 100 miles, significantly lower than the 25 kilowatt hours typical of top-selling Chinese EVs. For working families around the world, this translates to $3,000 in energy savings over 5 years. But Tesla's most brilliant strategy might be how they're planning to beat China at their own game: cost. Chinese automakers have dominated the low-cost EV segment for years, with models like the BYD Yuan Plus selling for just $16,000. Tesla's Sinapse Drive technology and revolutionary manufacturing approach allows the Model 2 to be let for under $15,000 without compromising on range, safety, or performance. The key to this cost advantage is Tesla's groundbreaking Global Fab strategy. Instead of centralizing production in one location like China does, Tesla is establishing microfactories in Mexico, Texas, India, and Germany. Each site produces modular components locally, which are then shipped short distances for final assembly. This approach slashes tariffs, reduces shipping costs, and completely eliminates reliance on Chinese suppliers. By building and selling Model 2s locally, Tesla avoids tariffs of up to 30% in markets like India and the European Union, making the Model 2 up to 15% cheaper than Chinese rivals. The Global Fab strategy could cut production costs by $2,500 per unit, enabling a retail price as low as $22,000 even in markets where Chinese EVs currently dominate. By 2029, these microfactories could produce 3 million Model 2s annually, potentially reducing Chinese EV exports by 20% and costing China $15 billion in lost revenue every single year. But Tesla isn't just challenging China on manufacturing and technology. They're completely revolutionizing what it means to own a car. The Model 2 introduces something called zero-touch ownership, a system designed to eliminate every frustrating aspect of car ownership that we've all learned to accept as normal. Imagine buying a car without ever setting foot in a dealership or speaking to a single salesperson. With zero-touch ownership, the entire car buying process happens through the Tesla app. Customers can configure their Model 2, place an order, and track every step from production to pickup with complete transparency. Once the car is ready, buyers receive a biometric-linked QR code, turning their face or fingerprint into the key. Even license plate registration and insurance are handled digitally, with approval times as fast as 90 seconds. But it gets even more revolutionary. Every Model 2 is equipped with a daily self-diagnostic system that continuously monitors for mechanical issues, battery health, and safety problems. If the system detects any problem, the car automatically schedules a service visit. Tesla is even testing a drone care program where autonomous drones or robots handle minor repairs and diagnostics right in the owner's driveway. No service centers, no appointments, no hassle. This level of automated support is especially transformative for rural residents, elderly users, and anyone with mobility challenges who have traditionally been underserved by the automotive industry. Even selling your car becomes effortless. The Model 2 uses its internal sensors and AI to assess its own condition, then actually drives itself to a local Tesla inspection point. Owners receive an offer directly in the app, and payment can be completed within 24 hours. No haggling, no paperwork, no stress. Zero touch. Ownership isn't just about convenience. It's a direct assault on the traditional automotive retail model that has profited from inefficiency, hidden fees, and unnecessary complexity for decades. Tesla estimates that this system could reduce after-sales support and operating costs by up to 87%, resulting in fewer service centers, lower insurance premiums, and greater reliability, especially for retirees, veterans, and low-income families. This represents a complete paradigm shift in car ownership, putting power back in the hands of consumers and stripping away the pain points that have plagued car ownership for generations. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is far more than just another electric vehicle. It's America's declaration of independence from Chinese economic dominance. By breaking free from Chinese supply chains, pioneering revolutionary manufacturing strategies, and completely redefining car ownership, Tesla is setting the stage for a new era of innovation and independence. If Tesla's vision succeeds, the global impact will be felt far beyond the United States. China's EV monopoly, built through decades of strategic control and government intervention, faces its greatest existential threat. The infrastructure is being built, the supply chains are secured, and production capacity is expanding at unprecedented rates. The question is no longer whether Tesla can execute this plan. The real question is whether China's industrial giants can adapt quickly enough to survive this onslaught, or whether they'll collapse under the weight of American innovation unleashed at full power. For everyday consumers around the world, the Model 2 promises not just affordability, but a fundamentally superior ownership experience. It's a car designed for the real world, intelligent, self-reliant, and accessible to families everywhere. By removing traditional barriers and empowering users, Tesla is putting control back in the hands of ordinary people. The battle for EV supremacy is entering its most critical phase, and the stakes have never been higher. Tesla's Model 2 represents a bold, calculated strike against China's dominance, leveraging American ingenuity, resourcefulness, and technological superiority to reshape the global automotive landscape forever. As this economic war unfolds, one thing is absolutely clear. The future of transportation will be defined not just by who builds the best cars, but by who controls the resources, the technology, and the entire ownership experience. With the Model 2, Tesla isn't just competing for market leadership. They're fighting for a new era of independence, innovation, and empowerment. The revolution is just getting started, and you're witnessing history in the making. Make sure you're subscribed to Tesla Torch so you don't miss a single development in this epic battle for the future of transportation.